this is your Abhilash back. So, as I told you, today is World Motorcycle Day, and I'm already ready with my gates, my jacket, my camera, and my vlogging stuff. I'm gonna show you what all I have prepared, and I've kept it ready. So, just now I've got up. I have to just get fresh, and I have already done with my bike washing. So I didn't have time. So Saturday morning I have to take it for a wash. The washing is done, and I have to just leave the place now. I'm gonna meet Rahul, and me and Rahul will go to Madivalla, and we'll join Bangalore Malayali riders. So BMR. So we're gonna join. So I am in BMR riding group. We're gonna go there, and from there we're gonna start our journey towards our destination. I'm gonna entire thing is ready now. I'm really super duper excited to just go there. I will gonna take bath, get ready, and gonna meet Rahul, and me and Rahul gonna go to Madivalla, and from
hey guys, I have reached Rahul's place. So my bike is ready, and Rahul's Ninja is ready. Rahul has got 2 girlfriends today. So we're gonna leave now. Right now I'm in which place is this, bro? Koramangala. Yeah, we are in Koramangala now. So we can directly go to Madivalla, and from there I'm gonna catch you. Stay tuned.
So Rahul has just left. Yeah, now fill the fuel. I've already filled the fuel, and it's 6,555 kilometers. So maybe we'll be going, the ride will be around 70 kilometers going out of city. Hope it's capturing everything. Hey bro, how are you?
First team in the venue, Bangalore Malayali Riders. Three cheers to Bangalore Malayali Riders. I want it louder. like to welcome riders of Bangalore, Bangalore Malayali riders, Dominar Owners Club Bangalore, and Biker Inside Riding Club into the starting point. Heartily welcome, guys. 3 cheers. Dharma chain white color Honda WRV.
This is my first ride with the complete team, and thank you so much for the Bangalore Malayali riders for giving me an opportunity to join your group. So this is my first trip. I have my band and the badge and the sticker with the foot coupon, and even for her this is the first ride. Thank you so much BMR for giving us an opportunity. So you can see
I'm telling you this one, this thing you see here, it's a lifetime achievement.
Yeah.
And the first one for Abhilash.
Yeah.
So I congratulate Abhilash for his first lifetime achievement as a rider.
Yeah. Can you please put me in band?
So once again, I wish you all the best and declare a wonderful event and let this type of events
Guys, my first badge on my riding jacket. I'm really happy and excited. So Rahul has got 3 plus 1, this is 4, and he has got 1 more here. So
So now we're gonna our Honorable Minister Sadananda Gowda has come. You can see over there.
His response towards citizens
So now they're gonna hoist the flag and we're gonna leave from Yeshwanthpura metro station and we're gonna go to our destination which is in Tumkur. So it's time to gear up and we're gonna leave now.
Good morning, Bengaluru.
Good morning!
It is an honor to announce that we have Sri Sadananda Gowda ji, Union Minister, Government of India, amongst us today to grace our event. Can we please have him on stage?
ಈ ದಿನ ನೀವೇನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂದೇಶ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ. ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಮತ್ತು ಅಡ್ರಿನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನಡೀಬೋದು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇದೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿ.
We got
We follow the crowd against the loss of the one. For all of them who did about coming, I would recommend and then come back and select your people. Seems like there is a food too.
So finally we have reached the destination and everyone are parking their bikes. So once we all once everyone is parked the bikes, we're gonna go and collect our t-shirts and we're gonna have a break. So we're just waiting for a few more teammates to reach. What is right?
Because it can be a CPU also. Give me a
Hey guys, we have already reached the destination and you can see we have parked our bikes over there. And I'm just waiting for my friend Rahul, so as soon as he comes we can go and have a breakfast and collect the t-shirts. So it was a wonderful experience guys, and now the actual gonna start. So here comes Rahul. Rahul, breakfast खाना है.
ब्रेकफास्ट खाना है. वही तू ब्रेकफास्ट खा के डंडी भी जा रही है.
वो तेरा चट्टी है, देख साइज देख. This is Rahul Sethi. Okay. So there is too much to record, guys. So hope you guys enjoying this video. So guys, we have already reached the spot, and you can see the queue for breakfast. So first we're gonna have a breakfast, then we're gonna go and collect our t-shirts, and then the event gonna start over there. So it's time to have breakfast. So let's go and have So we're in the big breakfast queue. This is the coupon and this is my coupon number 1765. So we're gonna collect the plates.
Welcome to the party.
So I got my plate and it's time to go and grab some breakfast. So guys, it's time to collect my t-shirts over here. So I'm gonna show my coupon
Great deeds, great safety. Michelin card from Highlander. Strike out gear. It's only for today. Great deals, great offers. Crisscross, customized bike t-shirts. Now it's live. Suzuki Hayabusa series live experience. Saparnika House.
Collected my t-shirt. Here comes my t-shirt. is how we look from the backside, which says World Motorcycle Day Karnataka.
The olden day machines, you even had an accelerator cable, but now it is all become more sophisticated. So you need a proper technician to do that, or you need to be very technically sound to do that.
And there are a few promoters too.
Thank you for that. So Shruti, if I can turn on to you and tell me 3 things that you would recommend everybody must know about their bikes. Just 3 things.
Yeah, first 3 things I would suggest as a woman, know first to fix your puncture. You don't have to depend on a person in the night. You don't have to wait for somebody. Learn to fix your puncture. That's the main, first most thing that you need to be knowing. Next thing comes making the oil changes and everything. Because if you're going for a long distance ride, you may stop anywhere. You need to have you need to have your toolkit ready, you need to have your oil, you need to have everything ready. So the third thing that I would say is keep also your other things. The smallest parts are also very important. Keep your fuses. Sometimes in the middle of the road your fuse goes off. So keep even the smallest things. The small things can also be kept, not only the bigger things. So I would say all the 3 things. And as a woman, I would say first learn to pick your bike. You are riding a heavy bike. When you have a crash, learn to pick your bike. So that's the main thing. Once you pick your bike, I think you can fix everything.
Thank you so much for that. So, learn to pick your bike is the tip that you definitely want to give not just the women but also men, because I've seen a lot of us struggle with, really heavy bikes. Alright, so let's move on to the racers in the house. How much is too much, right? You guys are pros or attempted pros in knowing your bike. So how much do you guys know about the bikes that you ride, or do you know anything at all? I'll start with you, Abhishek, and then move on to you, Yashas.
Alright, so this gets tricky because the more you know is not that good for you. You don't have to be a technician riding a bike, right? But it's very important to, be able to give feedbacks to your technicians. Not about what to do, but about what you're feeling. And that's how we're trained, right? Because we don't want to be thinking when we're riding. If you're thinking, you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing at that point, so there's something going wrong. So it's about thinking in the pit, setting an agenda, getting your bike sorted to whatever, as for your comfort. And that's why the practice sessions, that's why...
So to the people who's listening from outside, okay, this is how they're going to listen.
Baby girl, you know what the time it is. I've been riding from the earth to another thing. You're the one on my mind. Every time I've been taking enemies. Baby girl, take it slow on me now. I cannot feel it down every time. Every time I'll be running and I'm sitting down. Let me take another ride. Whoa, bitch, wait up a minute. Can never be somebody know what I'm doing. Every time I've been calling your phone, you've been without it, kind of fight, out of time, all the time, what the fucking line, I've been fucking doing things, cause you know I'm on my grind, hold up, baby girl, cause you know I got the time, I've been spending all my money, I'm just picking bitches, all the hoes in the club, know how to know it, yeah, I'm not just for me, what? We could do this all day long, trust me. Okay, DJ. Okay, DJ. Play Beja Beja Ho, my other song, Beja Beja Ho. Okay, I have a lot of, trust me, I have a lot of Hindi songs. No, I did a Punjabi song, so it's called Beja Beja Ho. DJ. No, that's not Beja Beja Ho. That ain't that. Dunia, mera tapu, meri aana tara hai. Maitere bine jani sakda. 'Cause it's you on my mind all the time. Beja beja ho. Beja beja ho. Beja ho. Beja beja ho. Beja beja ho. Beja beja ho. Yo, trust me, we could actually do a concert right now. But, yeah, you see, they're chasing me right now.
You guys are gonna hate me for this, but I promise you, he's gonna come back and he's gonna give us a longer stint. Okay, so he's gonna be back. Wait up for Roy. Alright. Okay. Alright, so just to you guys, one last time, praise the Lord. Every time I know we're killing in the past, every time I know we're killing in the shit. Have we keep it running every time I know how we gonna spend it every time I never go? How we gonna run it every time I never go? Because I'm a kid, I got the number all time. How we gonna kill it every time I'm on the go? On the floor, I didn't even know what's on the cannon on the road. I'm gonna take it on the floor. Didn't know what's on the floor. I'm gonna get it to the money. Hey, take me to the money on the telly. I'll just tell it.
I swear I fucking love Bangalore. Yo, if you're from Bangalore, if you're from India, make some noise. Okay. Yo, I'm so happy to see all of you amazing bikers. Yo, I was told you guys to be here since 4 in the morning or something. Yo, I didn't sleep today. I was waking up, I was like, why do I have to wake up at 8 o'clock? God. You know? But it's really worth it meeting all of you beautiful people. I think it was much water than my sleep right now. I love...
Okay, I'm not gonna let him go without having a selfie. Do you guys want to be a part of the selfie? Yeah! Come back, guys.
Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go Mr.
So to the people who's listening from outside, okay, this is how they're going to
If you want more of such excitement, make some more noise. But before that, we have a special video from Suzuki playing right for you here at World Motorcycle Day 2019. Can we have the video, please?
Completely wet. So the ride was awesome. We enjoyed, like more than 3,000 people were gathered over there. So it was fun with music, few activities and other stuff. So we enjoyed it. So hope you guys enjoyed the complete video. And thank you guys. Please do subscribe my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Help me in uploading more and more videos. So like every time I see an increase in like my subscriber, I really get motivated to upload more and more videos. So I'll definitely try to make videos in Kannada and other languages also, wherein I'm a Kannadiga and I know Telugu, Tamil, Hindi. So because a lot of comments I see that people asking me to make a video in like regional languages like Kannada mostly and Hindi, Kannada and Hindi. This is the most requests which I get. So I'll definitely try to make a video in Hindi and Kannada also. So do subscribe my other channel, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club, and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. Thank you so much. Like my bike is completely dirty now. I had to wash it again. I had to like take out my clean my helmet, my bag. It's completely wet. I don't know what happened to my camera. My action camera got spoiled. The charging point, USB port got spoiled. So that's it. Thank you. Keep watching my video. Keep supporting me and help me in uploading more of videos, guys. Thank you. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye.